technical challenges, how do you see it? I mean, still at this stage we have something, but describe a little bit.
In general, that what we had to consider when we were making the development was it is extremely cold. We are down to minus 250 degrees. And at that temperature, air will condensate on the outside of uninsulated pipelines. So we have to think about insulation concepts, which we did, which we solved, yes. We need to integrate it into a hose system, because connecting a lot of vacuum insulated components will make the system long and stiff, and that's something what is not nice to handle.
If it's not completely clear for the audience, that you will have condensating air on outside the pipe or the couplings, what is the problem with that?
The problem is that you have enriched atmosphere of oxygen. That means the concentration of oxygen is increasing, and oxygen is reacting with more or less everything. So the risk for burning, exploding may become much bigger, or burning mainly. And that's what we want to avoid, that oxygen will condensate on the outside.
Yeah, so safety besides everything, but keep the outside temperature above the condensation point of oxygen is very essential.
That's correct.
When we are talking about risk and people ask, is it dangerous? Yeah, everything is dangerous. I could imagine if you should ask, if petrol didn't exist as a fuel and you should ask for a permission to transport it, I don't believe it have a go from the authorities. But how about hydrogen? How do you see danger and risk management?
All our products are produced and invented to handle so-called dangerous goods, and dangerous goods is a very wide range. So for us, we are used to think in risk management and risk assessments. And risk is only available if you don't know what you're doing. So as long as you have the solution, you're aware about all potential risk, and you handle it through the design or through description how to use it, so training of people, then it's no risk anymore. It's safe.
It's safe. But with the existing all the equipment used up till today, then it has been a huge demand of the operator to not make mistakes. With the couplings, I could imagine it's failure proof, so to say.
We have discussed a lot with our partners to find solutions. Finally, we did it as well. They have the experience since many years, much longer than we. They are working with liquid hydrogen, and we could learn from their experience. And that's what we try to implement into the products as well.